welcome to One Man's Collection. Today I am looking at opening up a couple of my Mini GTs that I've been able to purchase over the last couple of months. I have already opened the Lamborghini Countach Liberty Works in black. We'll take a look at that in a moment. Also bought a Honda Civic Type R, Boost Blue Pearl colour, and a Nissan Z Pandem Passion Red. I'll take a closer look at those. I'm going to compare them with the Hot Wheels that I have in front of me. A bunch of Honda Civics and the Lamborghini and Nissan Z and my other Mini GTs in the background, which I've already shown videos for the Skylines. So let's take a look. Closer look. So we are looking at 1081 or 1081 model number in a black with gold rims, Liberty Walk. We are numbered race car number 41, works JDM style. I like this. I think there's also a white version available with black writing on it. Might one day get that. Super smooth roll. Underneath is not a lot, just the name and Mini GT. Rear end, very good. Toyo tyres are in there as well. Now I purchased this on AliExpress. My first ever purchase there. I thought, you know what? It's offering some dirt cheap rate, cheaper than what I bought even these ones on sale at a store. I'm thinking, you know, that was included postage. I'm like, yeah, I like that. But comparing that with, say, a Hot Wheels Countach, do you know, it is almost identical length because they got the spoiler, the under spoiler there. So Hot Wheels not necessarily a good judge of 1/64 scale. I find them just a little bit out. But as far as quality goes, these Mini GTs are so much better. So there will be a few more in my collection. Pop that there for now. Let's go for the one on the right. 722. Why is it so? Oh, it is car number 722. So a Nissan Z. It was on sale at my local store. Actually, I'll pop that back on there. And I thought, well, you know what? They had a bunch more, but I wasn't into all of the ones they had. But I figured this definitely is something I'm into. And I've got a couple of other Nissan Zs in the Hot Wheels there in the blue and red, but they're just basic mainline style. Do have official licensed merch on the back, hologram. File that down there. TSM model, scale miniatures. Okay. Let's see if I can get in here. I can even get the plastic out. Come with me. Thank you. Oh, nice. This is obviously my unboxing. Yeah, I'm happy getting this one. Look at that. So what red are they calling it? Passion red. Yeah, it's got a bit of a lighter colour in there. Probably looks a little lighter on the camera than it does in real life. I'm very much liking these gold wheels. I think the wheels on these make a huge difference, especially when you re-wheel your Hot Wheels as well. Very dark interior. We are running a right-hand drive car. Also have some sort of decal on the back. Yep, got that. Nissan. Oh, I love the wide body look to that. Yeah. Okay, now it makes me wish I grabbed. I don't think they had any other colours. I was going to say it makes me wish I grabbed a couple more of these in different colours. But actually, I think this was the only one they had in this colour. But we might keep an eye out for other stuff online. We've got a silver exhaust. Now we'll compare this scale-wise to, say, a Hot Wheels. Actually, yeah, tiny bit smaller, which makes me think these are a little bit out of scale, but so much more detail. Also makes me want to paint the roof. Ignore my thumb there, it's healing up after shoving Lego up underneath and then banging it against something really hard that the whole nail tried to lift off. I like it very much. It is well worth a purchase, in my opinion, even when it was on sale. So there's a lot more of these 1/64 scales in high detail coming to the market. I may actually find a few more. This one I have taken the plastic off already, but I've not taken it out, unless it was the last one on the shelf. Might have been, actually. Find out. So this is the Honda Civic Type R Boost Blue Pearl. Got a couple other Type R's here as well. I've just got something hanging on the mirror there, piece of fluff. Could have actually been on the shelf in the store. I might have said, oh, that's the only one we got. Another reason why it was on sale. So, not a wide body kit, but as far as detail goes, very good. Rear window's got the demister look to it. Underneath, not a huge deal. So, as far as so what are we running here? We're running a Type R, Honda Civic Type R. It's similar to these, but this has a bonnet scoop in a different spot. So what's this one? Probably a later model. It's a 2018 Honda Civic Type R. And we've got white, green, blue, and red of the same car. So technically, it's not the same car. Let's actually compare a blue one to a blue one. Yeah, different year, slightly. You can see, oh, get that in focus. You can see the difference in shape there. Not quite the same car. This one's actually longer. So it doesn't say what year it is, does it? No. Oh, 2023 right-hand drive. Oh, there we go. Yeah, much later. 2023 right-hand drive car. Nice. I like it. Well, I've only got 3 of these. I may have a few more in the future. I haven't purchased anything yet, but I am liking the quality of these. Now, these were just the cheap versions. When you go more expensive and you get stuff like this one here that has the full engine. Don't know if the doors open, do they? No, I don't think so. But this one with a lot more custom interior. These ones cost more. But as far as the regular MiniGTs with stuff that doesn't open, no. Pretty good value compared with, say, a premium Hot Wheels. Not too much more at the moment, I'm finding. Look, just a quick, simple, this is my Honda Civics. That's why I got a Honda Civic there. I seem to have picked those up. Nissan Z, I like that one. That's the wide body kit just absolutely kicks on that one. Looks awesome. Same with the Liberty Walk one. I may actually get another one, a white one, the reverse of that. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all the rest. I'll let you know what else I'm able to collect. Show it off. Cheers. Thanks. Bye.